Hi there, my name is Chris and today I will show you some interesting things about this beautiful BMW 5th series. It's G30. This is my client for some time and he called me and told, hey Chris, can you prepare my car for the season? This car is not used in winter. He asked me, can I make preparation for the summer? It's filters, fluids and so on, and visual and technical check of the car is everything's fine. This car has very small mileage and I was sure, and the owner of this car was sure that there is nothing serious in this car, just usual maintenance. Then he called me again and told, hey, I have a problem. The battery is empty. I need to change the battery. Okay, I told him, if you can, just connect the new battery or charge the old one, bring the car to me and I'll sort it out. After that, he called me, okay, the car now is starting, it's working, but windscreen wipers are not working, turn indicators are not working, windscreen washing system is not working, port computer button is not working. So a lot of problems. I told him, okay, who cares? Bring the car. I'll make diagnostics and maybe because of empty battery something was dead or maybe problem with software, I'll fix it. Okay, he bring the car. I checked, there is nothing serious, just switch column or SZL module is gone, so I just ordered a new one. It arrived. I ordered a new one because there is a lot of interchange numbers, so there is possibility that the old ones may have some problems. It's looking like this, just the switches and actually pretty simple part. So till this moment, oils, filters, switch unit, but when I was making visual and technical inspection under the car, how do you think? Was everything there fine or not? Let's check it out. And I found a problem here. It's damaged dust guard to the transfer box. There is damaged rubber. It's pretty common problem on ATC13 transfer boxes. That's why this rubber was later removed and the new construction is a few plastic guards. And I found another problem here on the propeller shaft also. It's a free play. So looks like the propeller shaft is gone. There is also some rust, and that means that there is problem, there is water going inside. It will be necessary to change the propeller shaft, and the question is what will happen with this sprocket inside. Maybe it will be necessary also to disassemble transfer box and change this sprocket. So the propeller shaft should be removed. You will tell, not a big deal, just remove the propeller shaft, change it, and that's all. There is another one small problem since the G series. The propeller shaft removing is not so easy anymore. It's necessary to first remove the transfer box or to move it back because propeller shaft is too long. It's not possible anymore to just unscrew from the front differential and take it out. I need to move back the transfer box. To move back the transfer box, I need to get an access also to propeller shaft. To get access to propeller shaft, I need to remove exhaust. So it's getting a little bit more complicated and it will be not usual maintenance anymore. It's becoming a repair job. Okay, let's start. It looks like somebody already was taking off this transmission because this bolt is damaged. And it's ready to go off. Yes, the propeller shaft is totally gone. Now the transfer box and the front propeller shaft is on the table and I can check everything again. We can see what a beautiful free play is here. So this is going to trash. And luckily I have a new front propeller shaft in my stock. It's brand new, original from BMW. And let's check out, is there any free plays with the new propeller shaft in the old transfer box sprocket. Nope. In any case, there is too much free play, so this sprocket is also damaged. It will be not enough to change only this propeller shaft, or I can change it, but it will not live for a long time. I need also sprocket. Luckily, I have all the necessary parts in my workshop. This is the new sprocket that should be installed in the transfer box. It's ATS 13 transfer box, the new type. I think at this moment it's the newest from the BMW. You will see how I am opening it and what's inside. Of course, there will be not only sprocket, but also gasket set. Remember, I told you that this old type rubber parts is not sold anymore. In this case, there is a special gasket kit. It includes a new seal and two plastic slingers. There is no more rubber, but they are put together and they are working like a dust guard. So they will be also installed. So let's disassemble transfer box. The fluid inside was dark brown. It's looking black, but actually it's dark brown. It's okay. I need to change this part. I need to remove everything of that and press off the bearings and change this part. And of course, after that, I will wash everything. Also, I will clean all the seal and seal again. This is containing of two parts. Then there is a function to unlock the reservoir to fully suck out the oil. It's moving and the reservoir can be opened. It is activated by diagnostics, so without that there is no possibility to fully drain or suck out the oil. It's totally broken. This is it. Everything will be washed, and actually when repairing this transfer box there is necessary to break some plastic parts. So before repairing this transfer box by yourself, be sure that you have new plastic parts kit. Otherwise it will be impossible to assemble back this transfer case, because some parts will be broken 100%. If this is going somewhere here, there is a place it's fixing and it can't be disassembled without breaking. This is why I'm also having these parts in stock, and there is everything already included. All the plastic parts that are inside, I have them always in stock, so also if you need them, just call me. So it's good to go to assemble. It's important to do not forget magnet. And basically it's ready to be fitted back. At this moment, transfer box can be left for a few hours to dry out the sealant. Everything is now assembled back together. Transfer box filled with fresh oil. There is no free play. So this place will be fine for a long time. As you can see, it's looking different. It's new type of dust covers and the new propeller shaft, and also the propeller shaft splines are coated with special grease. It's necessary for installation. Previous propeller shaft was dry. There is also an o-ring. I think that o-ring started to leak moisture or water inside, and the splines get corrosion, and it quickly was damaged. So this is it. The job at the transfer case is finished. There is actually not a lot of job to do to change this switch column. There is only necessary to remove the steering wheel, both of these plastics, and remove 4 bolts, and that's all. This job is taking about, for me, I don't know, something about 5 minutes. And these are the both switches. This one is, I think it's already once changed, because the manufacturing year is 2016. This car is not 2016, and the new one is 2024. There is something broken. Okay, it's stopper for the clock spring, but I think it's already installed from different car. Maybe this is the reason why it died. And also now the turn indicators are working, the light switch are working, and the board computer also is working again. So it only had 126,000 kilometers, but it had already some problems. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.